So this hack is how to make any pan, well, almost any frying pan, non-stick. Now there's nothing more annoying than when you buy a non-stick pan and then the non-stick Teflon starts to wear away, and on that bit you'll always put your fish or meat on that bit and it'll stick and catch and it'll ruin your fish or your meat. So the best thing you can do, this is a really, really good tip, is using any pan, just get some baking parchment and make sure it's the most high quality baking parchment that you can buy from the supermarket. And basically all you need to do is just cut a little square of it, like so, that's big enough to fit your piece of fish on. And then you pop that in the pan, then oil that. And honestly, the first time I saw this done, I couldn't believe it that you'd actually get colour on the skin through a piece of paper, but you do. And then I've got a piece of hake here. And then, now that's come up to temperature, I'm just going to lay that straight on the greaseproof paper, like so. And that will cook, it will colour perfectly, and it won't stick. So now it's starting to, I know it's starting to colour, I can see the fish starting to go opaque around the outside, so it's time to add a little bit of butter. And again, you can see this non-stick pan, fish is moving around. On top of that, a little bit of parchment paper, and it won't be much longer before it's ready. Just hold the paper with, like so, I'm just going to flip. And as you can see, wonderfully crispy golden skin, hasn't stuck at all. So that's my top tip. Bit of baking parchment makes any pan non-stick.